Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a Winter Nights Mani using 3 colors from Zebra Glitters Nails & Co. And the first one here, it's a beautiful dark blue glitter and it's called Slay My Name, Slay My Name, and this is a holographic blue glitter. So it's a super fine glitter and I love that dark blue. It's giving me all those icy wintry night vibes and I think that glitter really ties in this color. It's super pretty and it pairs perfectly with this next color called Dusty Blue. Now this is a solid color, there's no glitter in it at all, and it is the perfect dusty blue. I really like this color. Not only is it look really pretty with that standard gel top coat, but it also looks stunning matte, and we're going to change it up and we're going to do a matte finish with that color. And then the next one here is called Light Fury, and it is a beautiful glitter, and it's a glitter mix of whites and light blues. It's really pretty, and it also has some teal in there as well. It's a super pretty, it's giving me like that crushed snow kind of vibe, and I really like the 3 of these together. And when I saw these 3 together, it was giving me those winter nights kind of tones, and I really like these 3 together. And we are going to be making press-ons, and we're going to be using the Krival Nails gel top coat, and we're also going to be using the base coat. And then for the matte top coat, I'm going to be using the Sundara Nails matte top coat only on the dusty blue nails only. So right now I am applying that gel base, and we're going to do all the dusty blue nails complete. We're going to do the 2 layers of dip, and then I'm going to finish them with the matte top coat. Now when I'm using solid colors and I'm also using glitters in a mani, I like to make sure that I'm not contaminating those beautiful solids by getting glitter in there. So I will go ahead and do the 2 full dips, or 3 sometimes depending on how pigmented these dip powders are, but the ones that we're using today are very pigmented and I only needed 2 dips. And then I'll go ahead and do that matte finish so we don't have any cross contaminations to keep those a pure matte finish. So how pretty is that dusty blue with just 1 dip? Super pretty. I really like that color, and it's such a good staple color for your collection. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this mani process, and I'll pop back in a few moments. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think the colors are perfect together for that winter nights theme I was going for, and that holographic blue glitter is stunning, and it just pairs perfectly with that matte finish. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use for today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-ons, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload. Bye!